Alright, today we're gonna talk about color grading. Where can you find your color grading in Blender, right? Pretty much this is where you do all your video editing. How you get here, pretty much just go video sequence editor and you'll go to this area right here. So color grading, how you can apply color or mood to your video. Well, first add a video, go add movie, and then just pick the video. I pick this one. Let's just get the song out of the way. Okay, so say there's two ways you can color grade your video. First, you can go to the bar itself, and right here you press N, you get this part, and then you scroll down, you look for asterisk modifier, you open it up, there's a couple of options here that you can use to color grade your video. So I normally choose color balance first, however you like. And you have these three wheels here. You can change the look by just selecting that. Now it looks completely different. You can make it more. You see it changes color. Well, what is this three? What does lift mean? Gamma mean? And gain mean? Well, I don't really know the whole detail. I mean, I look it up. You can actually get the definition from this site here. It will tell you what the lift, gamma, and gain mean. Well, actually, from what I understand, lift is responsible for the shadow, and gamma is responsible for midtone, and gain is responsible for the highlight. So what is the shadow? What is the highlight? Right? Well, shadow is pretty much like I said, shadow is pretty much the shadow part of the video. Of the picture. Highlight is pretty much the whole thing of the video. So if you notice, if I go up and down, everything changes, right? But for shadow, it affects the darker area to be darker. See? Darker area to be darker. But the highlight affects everything to be dark or not. Mid-tone is just the mid area. Okay, so that's the color grading area you can use. Another cool color grading is the hue. This control every color in your video. So let's just say you don't want to see the green, you can take out the green. You see how it gets saturated. You can saturate. Pretty much you can saturate the color or increase the color. You see it became so saturated. So when you're gonna add the green back, become green, more greener. You can add more color back to your video. This is a really cool function to have. And there's also another function where you can also control the curve. See, everything is on this section here. Pretty much you have all this effect you can do the color grade your video. See how it became more solid than before. Yeah. It just depends on your preference. You can mess around with it and until you like. Usually people like to go S majority of the time, unless you know exactly what you're doing. S can never go wrong. I believe this is the highlight, and I believe this is the shadow. So, yeah. But yeah, what else? Let's see. There's also white balance, tone map. Yeah, you can simply affect the color grading to your video by just going to your bar and go down to asterisk modifier. But some people prefer to, well, you see, some people can separate the video and apply different color grading for each section, right? Or some people like to do a lot of transition and then they work on the color grading later. But it's kind of hard with all these bars. You have to keep going the same thing over and over and over. So there's a faster way of doing this. You just have to add adjustment layer. Go add effect shift adjustment layer. So what this does is anything that fall under the adjustment layer, it will apply the changes you made to anything or any video or anything that, you know, the change you made to, like for example, say this 2 bar, you don't want to apply the color grading here and then you go here and then you apply the color grading here. You know, it's too much of the work, so you could just do all that with just one strip of bar adjustment layer, and it will apply to just both, you know, same setting that you would do. So you go here, color balance, and then you do your color balance, color grading, and then there you go. It will apply to both of the bar while you're having to do this one and then this one, you know. So this is where you know, trick your color grading onto your video. So I think I pretty much cover everything. Yeah, if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. I'll be sure to get back to you when I can. And other than that, take care.